Try this activity which is given in your textbook page number 2. Experiment of the shadow. First, place a large white paper on one side of the table. White paper I have placed one side of the table. Next step, place a torch in front of the table in such a way that it would not move. I have used here mobile torch. Next step, stand a rod or a candle between the white paper and the torch. I am going to use candle and placed between the white paper and the torch. Now, take care, direct the light beam of the torch in such a way that the shadow of the rod or candle falls on the paper. Shadow of candles falls on white paper. Now mark the position of the shadow on the paper. I am going to mark shadow on the white paper. I have marked there. Now move the table along with the candle from one side to the other. First, I will move the table along with the candle towards left. Observe the position of shadow. And afterwards, I will move the table along with the candle towards right. Observe the position of shadow on white paper. From this activity, you have realized that as the position of the table changes, the position of the shadow also changes. If the position of the sunrise and the sunset on the horizon are observed for the whole year, you will realize that they keep on changing. Let us try to understand the reason behind this with the help of the next activity. Try this activity which is given in your textbook on page number 2. This activity is to be conducted throughout the year. Start this activity from tomorrow. Continue it till the end of December. Make observations once in a week at the time of sunrise or sunset as per your convenience. Keeping some distance, fix the stick near a wall that receives sunlight at the time of sunrise or sunset throughout the year. Remember that the stick has to be fixed at this spot for a period of about 1 year. After the observation, mark the position of the shadow for that date. You can see in this figure how there is a mark of shadow. If the position of the shadow changes, measure and note the distance between the earlier and the. During the period of this activity, observe the place of sunrise and the sunset on the horizon as well. The next part of the lesson should be dealt with in the month of September.